Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually download mods inside your Minecraft launcher. So, first of all, please go ahead and open your browser, any kind of browser it will help you with, and go ahead and write C launcher, just like so. So, as you can see, click on the first link and then click on download TL from here. If you have Windows, click on the first one, Mac or iOS, click on the second one, and Linux on the third one. So for example, Windows, we click on this one and then install it by clicking on next, like any other program you install it on your PC. Then as you can see, it will open on this window like so. Here you can type your name and here we will choose whatever version you like to play in Minecraft. For example, let's say want to play the 1.19.3 version. If you want to add mods to it, make sure that you download the Forge 1.19.3, not the Fabric one, not the related release, not like any other version. The Forge one is the one that you will need. After that, click on install, and after doing so, come here to any browser again and open this page, which is forge.com. From here you can find all these types of modes. You can choose between them. You better like create an account or download the app itself so you can have better options. For example, here you can sort by all versions. For example, let's check the latest version, which is 1.19.3, something like that, and let's check for any mode: spark, fabric, cosmetic armor. Like here is all like the modes that you can get. For example, let's get the entity. This one will help you with your FPS. So you can get here download. After downloading it, you click on your keyboard, Windows key and R. After that, click on app data like so and open it. Go to your Minecraft and then go to modes. After that, you will find it empty, only with the Forge, and after doing so, you just have to drag the file that you downloaded or the mode into this file, and just like so you will be able to use that mode in your Minecraft. So yeah guys, that was how you can actually download the mode in Minecraft. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.